Hello everyone. Do you know now? Early birds in the AI investment game are raking it in. As the global economy does the tango with AI, those who took the plunge early are now swimming in profits. AI's influence is everywhere, it is reshaping job markets, nudging GDP growth and transforming finance and environmental technology sectors. It's like watching a chameleon change colors. Do you have any knowledge at this moment? Both social and political directions are exerting increasing pressure. Who knew that the ancient book of changes would be a guide in today's AI-driven market? This old school wisdom helps turn market volatility into a strategic win. Fidelity and other fund managers are currently in discussions with companies developing such technologies to discuss safety features. AI's unpredictability is a risk to our ESG commitments. If there is ever an event where AI systems go rogue in a dramatic way, such as a kill switch could be activated. Self-learning AI systems and fighter jets are examples of what warrant concern. Melting and movement are occurring with the icebergs in Antarctica. What will be your response to climate change? It's worth noting that ESG had been subtly added to asset managers' portfolios of defense stocks. Portfolio managers in the world's largest ESG fund class are becoming more comfortable with holding military assets in light of rising political pressure and industry profits. NATO's leader affirms that there is no ethical issue with investing in defense holdings in an ESG fund class worth $5 trillion. Let's dive into a world where AI isn't just a seafaring but aerial player in the high-stakes game of environmental, social, and governance ESG investments. The word ESG stocks has become synonymous with good deeds. However, given that good has varying interpretations among individuals, there is no single ESG solution that works for everyone. Despite being labeled as sustainable, there are many stocks with poor ESG ratings. Tesla's example proves this. It's true that the company's electric cars they reviewed is a positive step towards tackling climate change. The company's poor treatment of its employees and governance gaps results in a relatively low ESG ranking. ESG fund managers and smitten with big tech's low carbon charm are now biting their nails over AI's unpredictable antics. Remember when ESG and big tech were the power couple of the investment world? The largest ESG exchange traded fund worldwide is dominated by technology, with Apple Inc. MICROSO, FTCO or PTAMSEO and Incom Inc. and Nvidia Corp being the leaders. Those companies are currently leading the way in the development of AI. When considering ESG metrics, it is important to remember that the score itself is not indicative of anything. Comparing it to similar companies in the same industry is necessary instead. It is difficult to compare the ESG score of an oil major to a tech company since they face completely different ESG risks. Location is another factor to take into account. A recent occurrence in full public view was tensions over the direction the industry should take and the speed at which it should move. Bloomberg Intelligence reports that funds that have an environmental, social, or good governance objective hold more tech assets than any other sector. The ESG investing industry, which has taken on tech in a significant way, may be more prone to such risks than others. Well, things got complicated. AI has entered the scene, and now ESG fund managers are sweating over their keyboards, wondering if their tech crush might have some unpredictable AI traits. We have the tech titans Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Nvidia flexing their AI muscles. These big players are the darlings of ESG funds. But with great power comes great responsibility and a whole lot of anxiety for ESG managers. In today's market, instinct in AI stocks is the most beneficial thing you can do for yourself. What is the process of selecting the top ESG stocks? Many investors take a top-notch approach with representation from all types of industries, even the controversial ones. The best candidate is determined by comparing a company's management of its ESG risks for others. It's essential to opt for a company that's making a difference with their products. A reasonable percentage of revenue should come from sustainable products in this instance. While the stock pool for these investors is limited, they can find several stocks that rank well in ESG in the AI tech sector. Finally, there are individuals who want to avoid industries that pose challenges. If you're researching for ESG stocks that are actively contributing to the world's well-being, the crucial aspect to examine is the level of clean revenue that is crucial for the business. If companies disclose this and include a growth target, they are on the right track. Investors can make purposeful investments in ESG stocks by identifying companies that are developing innovative technologies that will contribute to a more sustainable future. This is notable because it encompasses the emissions generated by the supply chain. I have seen a significant increase in profits this year alone because I made the decision to increase the number of my holdings in the AI space. The reason for this is that some of those companies increase their value by more. This is like the next dot-com boom. It seems to me that you're making as much profit as you can now. Rewards are always generous for early entrance into a potentially disruptive sector. We turn out ESG funds are tech-obsessed with more assets in tech than in any other sector. But this infatuation could be risky, especially when AI starts throwing curveballs. Investing in AI is like dating a genius, exciting but potentially risky. Investors are thrilled by the promise but can stop worrying about the day their AI investments decide to pull a fast one. Will our tech darlings keep their cool? Or will they go rogue? ESG's love affair with tech is getting rocky. The rapid evolution of AI is like trying to keep up with a sprinting cheetah, exhilarating but exhausting. The big question remains, how fast and in which direction should AI be developed? AI isn't just a tech story. It's reshaping the entire bond market. It's like a soap opera with rising commodity prices, a twisting yield curve in credit risks that keep you on the edge of your seat. Even major players, such as Fidelity, are wrangling over how to make AI cooperate. What if AI decides to throw a tantrum? What's the plan? Is there an AI kill switch somewhere? Navigating these AI-infused waters requires stable of ancient philosophy. In modern financial savvy, it's about making smart moves in a market that is as 3D chess. As we move toward a lower carbon future, investing in this area is worth considering due to its huge growth potential. So there you have it. AI stands with ESG is a spectacle of risks and rewards. Stay sharp, stay informed, and who knows, you might just find your pathway to prosperity in this AI-powered investment landscape. Are you aware of this now? However, as shown in the hexagrams of our Book of Changes, it is emphasized that all things are born from being, and being is born from nothing. Absolutely. Ancient wisdom like that in the Book of Changes offers a neat perspective in navigating market volatility and making strategic decisions. Investors should weigh the potential for high returns against the risks of rapid technological change and market unpredictability. Keeping abreast of industry developments and adopting a flexible investment strategy are key. Investors must have the ability to identify opportunities in market changes, turn decay into magic, and uncover potential investment value. As we come to the end of this exciting journey, bear in mind that the global stock market is a mutable beast. It can be a docile friend or a ferocious wild animal. Staying informed quickly is possible if you watch our short videos every week. It's crucial to remain committed to comprehending the global economy's pulse. In general, the current global market conditions are a complicated situation that includes both highs and lows, opportunities and risks. Subscribe to our channel. Our videos every week offer a way to stay informed about wealth information and enhance your quality of life in a diverse way with minimal time investment. Navigating these volatile financial waters requires a skill to adapt and prevent increased risk. Our videos will help you make easier and more informed decisions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a new buyer, remember that knowledge is not just power but also a tool that enhances your value. Leave a message if there are any topics that interest you. I would like to express my gratitude to all the viewers for their support. At the end of this episode, if you find today's video to be a bit rewarding, don't forget to like it, for you to look for it in the future when you want to watch it. I am grateful for your attention. Thanks. Thank you for watching. Thank you.